Alright, this is video number 2 of exercise 42. And we are on page 5. Choose home tab, insert group, create operation. We want to create an operation here. Okay, what's going on? As usual, takes a long time. Come on, come on. Alright, create operation. In the create operation dialog box from the type list, select hole making. It's already selected. In the geometry subtype group, click spot drilling. Spot drilling. In the location group, set the following preferences. Program equals 1, 2, 3, 4. That's good. Tool equals center drill. Center drill, yep. Geometry equals hole boss geometry top. That's good. And then method, drill method. That's good. In the name group, set the name to spot drilling. It's already there. So we say OK. In the spot drilling dialog box, in the actions group, click generate. What is this thing doing? Okay, so I guess it was done on purpose. We can see that the tool is trying to spot drill something from the bottom, which is not good. Right, let's see what's next. Click verify. In the toolpath visualization dialog box, select the replay tab. In the animation speed group, adjust the slider to a value of 7. Click play. Go faster. Click OK. The next step is flip C vector of current hole geometry. Objective, flip the C vector of current hole geometry. In the main group, click specify feature geometry. In the main group, click specify feature geometry here. In the feature geometry dialog box, in the center hole group, in the list subgroup, select each item one at a time until you have identified the hole shown below. Okay. One at a time. So we're gonna do this one at a time. That's not the one. Number 2 is not. Neither 3, neither 4 or 5 or 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, that's it. 15. The Z is pointing down. Rotate the view as needed to review the hole. We already did. The Z axis of this hole is pointing in the opposite direction of what is needed. Correct. in the center hole group, click reverse direction, click OK. Okay, so we're gonna click here to reverse direction. And we say OK. Depending on your original area you selected to collect the holes, you may have also accidentally located another hole on the underside of the part. In the picture below, the hole needs to be removed from the feature geometry list. Which one is that? Okay, let's see. Yep. So, which means we need to go back here, and then we're gonna make this one expanded here and also here. So this one is that hole. Is that the one that we fixed? I think so. And then there is another hole, should be somewhere. I don't see it. Let's see, generate. Well, everything looks right. All right. Supposedly, the exercise explains that if you, by mistake, select this hole, which is a blind hole coming from this side, if you accidentally select it when you select all these holes with the window, then you have to delete it from the list. Otherwise, NX is going to try to get it done. Okay, so if we go to verify and we replay, we see now that the toolpath is correct. It's doing all the tab holes. On your own, if time permits, spot drill the single hole as shown. It says, note, you can copy and paste inside the MCS tab 54 and position to a new location with some minor edits to achieve this. Right, so this one is not a big deal because it's one single hole here. And basically that's it on this exercise. So we're gonna say okay, and we're gonna say okay. And we're gonna go to see the operations. We're gonna go to program view first. So spot drilling is here. All right. And if we go to the geometry view, we have the MCS, the main one, and then we have the workpiece, and then we have the G54, which is here, the center of this hole. And then we have the group geometry for the holes. there. And then we have the operation itself. And that's it on this exercise.